So this marks our last flight of this year on KLM's Dreamliner. Let's take a look.
We are about to board, getting ready, about 15 minutes away. Are you guys ready to go back to New York? Yes. This is the Dreamliner. We're gonna go check it out. We haven't taken a KLM flight in about 4 years. Let's go board. We are probably one of the last ones to board. No shopping on Schiphol. We ran out of time. It's row 1 through 9. One, two. Alright, so we are 42 and 43 ANC. Okay, initial impression are these seats. How cool do they look? Okay, so we are doing the Kara and Nate experiment. Khiz is there, I'm here, and when we get somebody here, we will ask them if they want to sit on the aisle instead. Oh, and 41, there is no window.
That was a close call.
Yeah,
41 is no window.
41 is no window, yeah. Alright, these seats are so comfortable. So the seats go up and down, they fold. This material is so nice. The look is so nice. Ample room back there. Magazine. You got your tray table. It moves back and forth. Cup holder. It's a crazy amount of space here. Right, on the way to Tenerife, we were in the lounge and I actually met with the CEO of Air Mauritius, and he was saying his favorite airplane is a 787 Dreamliner, and this is that plane. He said this is the best plane. You feel fresh when you get off. He used to be the CEO of Gulf Air, but he just started his new job. Of course, the classic Dreamliner window. From end to end, to change the blind settings, it takes about 25 seconds. So we are like 10 minutes into boarding. See what Eesa and Mom are up to. This is how I want to travel.
Very good afternoon, folks. From the flight deck, the captain. My name is Rodney Peters. On behalf of the whole crew, welcome aboard our KLM Boeing 787-1000 flight from Amsterdam to New York JFK.
Look at the brown seatbelt. That is very neat. Look at the IFV. Go to home, you got your new movies, TV, music, games, kids, a map. And then within movies, a lot of new stuff. Bullet Train, that was a great movie. Oh, we can actually watch Elvis. Games, that's actually a lot of fun. Kids section.
Safety information on board your KLM flight through the fine art of Delft Blue. For your safety, make sure your carry-on luggage is stowed before taxi, takeoff and landing. Keep your seatbelt fastened and visible during the flight. It over your head and pull the strap tightly around your waist. On behalf of KLM Royal Dutch Airlines, we wish you a very pleasant flight.
Alright, so I'm watching Mortal Engines, thumbs up. Maybe they have mac and cheese, but vegetarian pasta and something meatballs. Okay, we'll see what they have, okay? For meal, you got your Coke, a salad, vegetarian pasta, bread, a Beamster semi-aged cheese with a side of Diet Coke. And here's Khiz, about to eat his meal, and a lemon cupcake. Alright, so this is the bathroom tour of a 787. Hey, we got 2 coat racks. Handle to open your lock, no smoking sign. Ashtray. There's a handle here, a nice faucet, hot, cold. This is how you heat up the water. If you press the button twice, it turns red. See how clean this is? It's fairly clean. We are halfway through the flight. There's a motion sensor toilet, there's a mirror here, and it's very spacious. Love the curve of the plane. Call button sign if you need. I also love the wallpaper. And again, look at this bathroom. I love this. So if you use the toilet, you're looking at yourself in the mirror. About 1.5 hour before landing, they brought over some pizza, mozzarella, panini wrap. They call it pizza wrap. Then the view for the outside looks like this. As I'm enjoying the sandwich, a message popped up about taking a survey. So let's take the survey together. It's good. Food. Was excellent, and entertainment loved it. Now back to the sandwich. It's 56 minutes left. I wanted to say a couple of quick things. We got this flight from New York to Amsterdam, Amsterdam to Tenerife, and back, round trip for $1,500. We actually made a video about it, our packing video. The crew here is fantastic. They're very nice. I actually stopped and I thanked them in the back, and they kind of looked surprised, and I told them, I said, the plane is wonderful. They are really, really nice. KLM, I will be flying with you guys very, very soon. It was a great flight. Thank you. After 8 hours, we are in New York JFK. We did not sleep. We watched TV. We played games. KLM economy is a must-to-do for anybody who's traveling from US to Europe. Catch you guys on the next one. This is the last flight that we're going to take of 2022. I actually want to buy these seats as my office chair. Even though Khiz has been in a Dreamliner before, he has never seen the touch button darkening of the windows. And so when I did it, his mouth opened and he says, "Huh?"